So in case you're wondering why I'm doing this on Monday yet again, um, well, we were supposed to have a meeting on Friday, and then there was a snow day because we had like 9 inches of snow, and which is just as well because I can't even get out of my neighborhood even today. We had, let's see, so then Saturday we had no meeting, Sunday we had an optional meeting, and then today we had no school, and then tomorrow we have no school as well, so that meeting is canceled. Which is actually pretty bad. It's taking a lot of time out of bunnybot. But anyway, so how's your day been? Hopefully it's not been filled with snow. Cause like I can't even get out of my neighborhood. It's just that bad. So on Tuesday, the electronics board group they did mostly Victor debugging. They found out that we do have a Victor that is pretty messed up for some reason. Then they retaped the power connectors because the people did a bad job on that and they needed to fix it. And vector and drivetrain groups, they mounted the dumper, but they needed to mount the pneumatics piston. Stop it. They needed to mount the pneumatics piston. Software group, they flashed the routers, now the router works. Super tester, they did testing and function testing and fixing, basically fine-tuning the super tester so that we can sell it. Animation group, they did modeling, they started their animation phase, they should be done really soon. Like, the deadline is 12th, I think? 12th or the 13th? I think the 13th. Anyway, so, on Sunday, we work on the robot for 4 hours, and we add pneumatics, and so now the robot, the kicker works and the dumper works. So it will kick a ball and it will dump a bunny, so that's good. We still need to, and this is for next week, we need to integrate the electronics board, or like fully integrate it, get it actually put on. We need to add bumpers. We can use the bumpers from our 2012 robot. They're pretty close, so we can use those. We need to add netting to protect the electronics board, and then we need to get the bunnybot code onto the robot, and then we have to debug the entire thing. So yeah, everything's coming together really well. Although we're actually cutting it really close. We're cutting it much closer than I'd like it to be. But as long as we keep working, we'll be able to finish by bunnybot. Also, FLL. There we go. So first LEGO League, their qualifying tournament. Their qualifying tournament needs volunteers. So if you're on the team, we sent out an email about this just today. If you want to volunteer, email Floyd or Carol or us, and we'll forward it to Floyd. But they need the FLO people. They actually need a list of who is volunteering, probably for T-shirts. So that would be good. We do need volunteers. Also, so that's on this Saturday, and the day before that is set up, and they need volunteers for that as well. So yeah. So everything's coming together really nicely. We haven't really had any arguments. Ooh, the first choice passwords came out today, and we need to get on that, and we haven't yet because of the snow day. So yeah. Anyway, hope you have a nice day. Hope it's not filled with snow like ours has. It's like the school district is like, it's not even snowing, and like they've decided to cancel school. Like, we're essentially having a 5-day break. I mean, it's kind of ridiculous. The snow really is not that bad. I mean, I can't get out of my neighborhood, but that's because it's my neighborhood. My neighborhood's special. But, anyway, I'll see you hopefully this Friday, probably this Sunday. Goodbye.